Welcome back to Shib, where our top secret project is turning people into millionaires. Current Shiba Inu news Shibu pricing appears to have released itself from the weight that the US inflation data had been carrying for the past several days. Now that the data is no longer a factor, traders no longer appear to be questioning the meaning of the somewhat lower statistics, which is all that matters to the markets. A nice grind higher is anticipated to occur before the overheated relative strength index, 0.0016. Taps bulls on the shoulder so they can profit from this rally in this video where we discuss how the top secret project at Shib is turning billionaires. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to watch our most recent content on expert analysis and Shiba Inu price predictions. Now, let's start the video. Shiba, the US Consumer Price Index data, which preceded a two-day minor sell-off, is no longer dragging the Inu price, and bullish energy is now getting when equities turn green. Shib later this Wednesday, traders will want to keep an eye out for a potential continuation of the strong attitude. Unleashed Shib price movement has delivered fresh highs for the week. The monthly R1 and the green ascending trendline around 0.0014 are the focal points for traders. A daily close above that line would be ideal for bulls to launch their assault toward the monthly R2, and with a value around 0.0016, the RSI will be approaching the overbought barrier and there may be a slight chance of a double top occurring as bulls will want to take a profit after recording a 24% gain. The next ground offensive from Russia appears to be one accompanied by air support, which would mean a firm escalation of the situation and could drag Europe over its red line of delivering fighter jets to Ukraine as the war reaches a new high. This poses a bigger risk, as multiple military reports show that more Russian airplanes, helicopters, and fighter jets are within tactical range of important points in Ukraine. Scaling is one of the main issues Shiba Inu is facing. Although the market capitalization of cryptocurrencies has increased dramatically, the amount of transactions has not kept up with this growth. This lack of scalability could pose a serious threat to the cryptocurrency's long-term growth. In addition, the 589 trillion Shiba Inu tokens in circulation present a significant challenge because there is a high risk of dilution, which could eventually lower the token's value despite these substantial obstacles. The Vessel Army is nevertheless upbeat about the cryptocurrency's future prospects. The community has established the Shiba Inu token as potentially more than just a speculative asset by working hard to create partnerships and real-world use cases, as well as by contributing to charity organizations. The Army has demonstrated its dedication to producing value by launching a number of initiatives, like as a payment gateway, a decentralized exchange, and a platform for NFTs. Going beyond conjecture furthermore, the Shiba Inu Rescue Association, the community's philanthropic arm, has contributed to the favorable press around the Shiba Inu coin and may help to promote its adoption and legitimacy. The community has expressed optimism that with all of these developments, the price of Shib will rise. Investors in shibainu believe that Shib has the potential to reach 1 cent or even $1, but in reality, it is difficult for a cryptocurrency to reach even 1 cent. At present, Shib is trading at around 0.0013, with a market capitalization of about $7.5 billion. To reach 1 cent, a Shib's market capitalization would need to increase by a factor of 1,000. To put this into context, this would require a substantial investment and demand for the Shib token, both of which are tough to create. Even if the Shib token were to reach a market capitalization of $46 billion, which would be a noteworthy accomplishment, it would still only be 10% of the size of Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency in the world, which now has a market capitalization of about $468 billion. Burning tokens is a common tactic used by several cryptocurrencies to boost their value and lower their overall supply, but it's not a cure-all for all issues with cryptocurrencies, and burning tokens might have a negative influence on their long-term survival. While burns can assist lower supply and raise a cryptocurrency's value in the near term, they are not a good long-term growth strategy. In the case of the Shiba Inu coin, burning 83 billion tokens may have contributed to a short-term increase in the cryptocurrency's value, but this amount only accounts for 0.015% of the market capitalization of the coin. Burning tokens does not directly create any additional utility or use cases for the cryptocurrency, which can also impact its value over time. Furthermore, burning tokens can be detrimental to a cryptocurrency's long-term viability. If a cryptocurrency burns too many tokens, it can limit its potential for future growth and development with an astronomical supply. Additionally, burning tokens can limit a cryptocurrency's potential for innovation and development. If a cryptocurrency burns too many tokens, it can limit the resources available for future development and partnerships. Furthermore, burning tokens can significantly reduce a cryptocurrency's value over time. In a blog post published yesterday, the lead developer of Shiba Inu outlined the religions that the company welcomes and its core values. Unification is now more crucial than ever, and companies and other entities are urged to comprehend the values upheld by the Shiba Inu team and its community. Shoshiro Kusama, the lead developer of Shibainu, has taken it upon himself to educate as many people as possible about why Shibaria is the solution. The Shibainu team will prioritize donations and support the larger community by donating to non-profit organizations. The core values of Shibari include a constant Shiba Inu burn on every project. However, the development observed that scams on the L2 scaling solution are inevitable. To combat FUD, Sharon will take the do-our-own research approach while teaching about new projects. A portion of the proceeds will be donated by Sharon to the Shib DAO Foundation, which will decide how best to employ the DAO's resources in an amicable global call. Shoshiro revealed that followers of all religions are welcome at Shiba Inu. Atheists, Buddhists, believers, Hindus, both Muslims and Jews are welcome. It is recommended that Luciferians and Shinto took and embrace Sharam and its gifts. Everywhere we look, Shiba gives us the power to change the course of this conflict without using force. With Shibari, we can just leave the oppressive systems behind and work together to create a better world using all of our talents, experiences, and shared vision. Shoshiro believes that all of these religions share a belief system that upholds righteousness in the world, and that the only way we can equally and collectively preserve this belief is by opposing corrupt leaders. Ultimately, he says, Shibari is how we win, regardless of your beliefs. This letter is an invitation for you to join us. The blog post comes before an intriguing update from the chief developer for Shiba Inu, who alluded to a potential launch window for Sharam. Shoshiro Kusama warned the Shibainu community on Telegram to be on the lookout for the months leading up to May, revealing that the launch of Sharam will occur before then. It is reasonable to assume that the introduction of the Sharam Layer 2 scaling solution will occur between now and April. Elon Musk teased the meme coin market with images of his document shared on Twitter, which caused Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and at least one other document-themed cryptocurrency to surge in value. The reason meme coins are called meme coins is that they were primarily created as internet jokes rather than significant blockchain projects. This crypto community has developed into something more than a joke. Dogecoin, the 9th biggest digital asset, has spawned numerous spin-offs, the greatest of which being Shibainu, the 13th largest cryptocurrency. Leading creator of Shiba Inu, Shoshiro Kusama, has locked the Sharam Telegram channel. Kusama promised to report the group once all documents were made public. It is possible that the Chibu Sharam Telegram channel was inundated with questions regarding the launch, perhaps to the point where it became difficult to handle, but locking down the Telegram channel until the documents are released must mean that the papers for Sharam will be out very soon. That's all for today. The Sharam Telegram will only post official messages until it is open to the public.